Hey guys, what's up? This is Vishi here. You're watching Nixapian. In this video, I'll be telling you how a bulletproof glass works. A bulletproof glass is a glass that does not shatter when being shot at, whereas the normal glass shatters and gives away. So this is used in places where you need visibility and you need to protect someone behind the glass too. So how does a bulletproof glass work and how is it different from the normal glass? The bulletproof glass is nothing but glass in which layers of plastic are placed between different layers of glass. So how does it work? How does it stop a bullet that is so fast? So let me explain that with the help of an example. When a cricketer catches a ball, he catches it and takes it backwards so that the rate of change of momentum is slow. If he were to catch the ball, stand still, he doesn't move his hand, in such a situation, it would pain a lot. Whereas when he moves the hand backwards slowly, the momentum of the ball decreases slowly and the pain that is sensed in his hand decreases. So the concept is same here too. When a bullet hits a normal glass, it is not able to withstand the force. The rate of change of momentum is drastic. The bullet comes to a standstill when it touches the glass, and the impact is not taken up gradually or so easily by the normal glass. Whereas in case of the bulletproof glass, the different layers of plastic acts as increased resistance, which causes the bullet to get slowed down gradually. The time or the rate of change of momentum is slow here. The time taken is more. So even though the glass in both the cases are same, the layers of plastic between the layers of glass does the work here. If you compare the thickness of normal glass to that of bulletproof glass is very thick, and it also has a layer of polycarbonate, or which is a form of plastic, on the inner surface. So even if the glass shatters, this layer allows it not to fall behind or on top of the person who is behind the bulletproof glass. That's it guys. If you like the video, do subscribe to Nixapian. This is Vishi signing off.